Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have an unboxing and review of the Keystone crypto wallet. Let's do it. Okay, this is the box it comes in, and let's unbox this now and take it out. Alright, so it comes in two separate pieces. Okay, so first piece here. This is the battery and a USB cable. Okay, so let's take out the battery here. Okay. And then this piece, notice it comes with a tamper seal tape. So if this is broken, it means that don't use it if it's broken, okay? So I already opened it. When it came to me, it was sealed, but yeah. So nice tamper seal for security purposes. Okay. Got here, cover. Okay, a little coupon code for future purchases. And this is the wallet. Okay, what else is down here? I see some. Okay, that must be the owner's manual. And looks like English and Chinese. And it comes here with several cards, so you can write down your C words. Yeah, recovery phrase, C words, the whole shebang. Oh, good. All right, so this is the wallet. And as you see down here, this is the camera to scan the QR code. And this right here, that is a fingerprint sensor. So this is how you access it. So instead of using password, you can use fingerprint. Great. And it looks kind of fat, but it also comes with a slim battery. And this is actually not a battery. This is actually a, let me show you. Magnetic. Nice. Okay. So this battery actually uses 4 AAA. So you need to use this battery. If you lost this or you're in a pinch, you can just use regular AAA batteries, and then you can just magnetically attach it. It is a little thicker, or you can use the lithium-ion battery that comes with it. And again, magnetic. All right, let's start it up. But before we do, is push here to start, but let's do the peel. Ooh, yeah, all right, let's start it up. Okay, now we're starting. Please visit Keystone Authentication. Click on Scan QR code below so you can make sure this is real. Oh, cool. So we want you to go to this website and scan the QR code so it can make sure this is a unaltered factory device. So really cool. Let's do that now. Okay, now that the device has been authenticated and it is a unaltered factory unit, really cool security there. Next step is to set up your passwords. Okay, I will now set a password for this. So our choices now are to create a wallet using a single backup, or we can create a wallet using a Shamir backup. That's a new type of backup system. But this supports it, so it's awesome. We'll just use a single backup here for now, and we'll do that. And going, please check your surrounding. Anyone with your recovery phrase have full access to your cryptocurrency. And I understand, so make sure you should do this when you're alone with no one around you, or only very trusting person that you totally trust. Okay, so I understand. And these are your 24 C words right there. So it just give me random 24 C words, and I'm showing it to you because I'm not going to use it. So you can take it down. It won't lead to any wallet. So once what you do is then you would you write down these words onto this list here, or onto metal, preferably metal. And once you write it down, you then just go, yes, I've done it, next step. And I will ask you to repeat those 24 words to make sure you absolutely wrote them down. And if you didn't, then well, you can't continue because you can't, you have to write them all down. So I have to write them. So, and since I didn't, basically I go back and I understand, and guess what? It gives me 24 brand new C words to do it again. All right, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna set up this wallet using 24 totally different words that I'm not gonna show you, and then we'll continue. Be right back. Okay, that's actually pretty easy. The setup is pretty much exactly the same as the LiPal wallet that I reviewed last time. So it's you bind the wallet to your app by just using a QR code. So now that it's set up, you can send and receive Bitcoin, and in this case, I can just hit receive and it'll give me a QR code. But if you just want to receive Bitcoin, again, you do not need this. You can just put that away and you can just use your app. So I want to, so I just, all I got to do is like here, it shows you your Bitcoin balance and everything. You just choose your coin. Could be Bitcoin, could be Ethereum. It supports a whole bunch of coins. And you just put down receive. And there you go. So it gives you a QR code, so for people to send you Bitcoin. And once they send you Bitcoin, it shows your balance and everything. To send someone Bitcoin, that's the only time you will need this. So again, this thing is totally air gapped, so it's never connected to the internet. So all your secret is safe in here, and this is why you want a hardware wallet. So to send someone Bitcoin, basically you scan that person's wallet and you type in the amount you want to send that person. Then it will create a QR code. So it will create a QR code like this that shows the information, who you're sending it to, the address. And then what you do is you fire this up, use the camera on here, and you log into it. You log into it using a password or using your fingerprint. I haven't set the fingerprint, so I have to use a password to log in. So I log in, and then I scan the QR code. And after I scan the QR code, I compare the information to make sure it's exactly the same. I hit confirm, and then it gives me a new QR code. And then what I do is on this, I scan the confirm QR code, and once it receives that QR code, the money gets sent. And so this Bitcoin wallet or crypto wallet will sign the transaction for you, and there's no connection between the two except for a QR code. So you don't have to connect to the internet, and your secret is safe that way. So it's pretty easy to use, and I like it a lot. Like this I have several advantages over the LiPal wallet that I review. First thing, the battery. The battery, like you can use 4 AAAs in case you lose this, because I'm sure this costs more than 4 AAAs. So that's the first thing. Second thing is the charging. The USB charger just plugs in. What does it plug in? Oh yeah, the USB. The battery charges via USB, so all you use is a USB cable. With the LiPal, that uses a charging puck, and that puck applies to the USB cable. If you lose that puck, you can't charge it. So you can't charge it anymore. This, at least, it's just a regular USB, so there's no additional charging puck. And if you do lose it, you got that. All right. So there you go. I like that, and I do like it with the built-in battery, nice and slim. 4-inch screen, very easy to read. Touch screen. I also like the fingerprint login. So you can log in with fingerprint in addition to using a password. For updates uses a not USB, but a micro SD card to update it. You just plug it in there. Again, no plugging into a computer. You save the update BIOS onto an SD card, plug that in, and then run the update, and your update is run offline. Right. Another great feature of this, 24 word seed, whereas the LiPal only had 12. This is 24. 12 may be okay, but if the BIP39 gives you 24, I don't see why you shouldn't use 24. Right? So 24-word seed, and the seed words are stored in a secure element chip. They're not stored in general memory, so secure element chip. And so if someone takes this thing, they can't hack it. The chip also has a self-destruct mechanism. So if anyone try to physically open this, take it apart to try to get at the chip, it will self-destruct. So yeah, then it's gone. Yeah. And all right. So okay. And the last thing is the price. This is the same price as the EliPal, $169. And given all the features it has, like a 24-word seed, secure element chip, fingerprint login, just regular USB cable for charging, additional AAA, and the same price as the EliPal, I would definitely go for Keystone. Yeah, Keystone, definitely go for Keystone. Keystone's available in 3 versions actually. This is the Pro version, but if you want to save some money, you can get the Essentials version, which is basically this without the battery. So you will get the AAA charger instead. You get the triple, so it'll be like this, and you will not get the fingerprint login. So you'll be using password only, no fingerprint login, and also no self-destruct mode. All right, so I mean, I don't mind this or the lack of fingerprint, but I do want the self-destruct mode. So if it was me, I would definitely get the Pros. You know, I mean, when you figure it this way, $169, and you're trying to secure thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars of crypto. I mean, $169 is like cheap insurance, really, honestly, cheap insurance. Now, Keystone used to be called Cobalt Vault. They used to be called a Cobalt Wallet, and they rebranded because the parent company decided to branch off into another direction. And what happened is the design team who created the Cobalt Wallet didn't want to just be on maintenance mode. So they basically broke away and started a new company called Keystone to continue developing the Cobalt Wallet. And this is the result right here, the Keystone Wallet. And I'm glad they did, because this is my new favorite crypto wallet. Yeah. Links to buy the Keystone Wallet, it's below this video. And yeah, if you have cryptocurrency to want to secure, keep cold storage for a long, long time, the Keystone Wallet right here. JohnChapmanJazzle.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.